Hello, I'm Patrick Rufflet and I'm the plant manager of Atlas Manufacturing in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. We also have a facility in Minneapolis, Minnesota. We provide precision fabricated solutions to shape your success. We serve many industries: OEM fabrication, enclosures manufacturing, medical, dental, high-performance computer components, cooling fan housings. Our first step was to push offline brake programming. We tried another manufacturer's software, but was very disappointed. We needed robust software that was intuitive to our brake tool library and one that could minimize tool setups and in turn increase production with little effort from a press brake operator. So basically minimize any operator programming on the floor. Press brake was Atlas's bottleneck. With many employees retiring from our brake department, we needed to recover the tribal knowledge and be able to train new employees fast. Bystronic checks those boxes. All programs are in the hands of the engineers, and once created was easy to repeat with the BySoft CAM software. Operators catch on fast on how to run the machine. The younger generation is very computer savvy, and the machine is like running a smartphone. An entry-level operator with no CNC experience can easily make complicated brake parts within a few short weeks. Training and tool setups is where we have seen the biggest savings. Since switching, we have seen a 30% increase in efficiency. We have tripled our capacity since installing Bystronic brakes in a fiber laser. We also coupled some of our brakes with the Bystronic mobile bending robot. The Bystronic team is always helpful with any issues that may arise. They keep you informed and want you to be up and running with little or no downtime.